SLIP.7 setup for waterfall only bottom fed. In this setup here, you're going to want to put it into your back compartment of your nano, and you're going to want to only use the bottom feed of the water, and that's all. And then that's going to feed up and go down, and that's going to be it. So let's set it up for that. First of all, you do not need the tubing because you're not using any air at all. So we can take that out. So we only need the green grabber screen. And you can leave the chaeto spikes on. Second, you do not need the top tubing, so we're going to take that out. We're going to put the screen back in. And we're going to put the lid back on because nothing needs to come out of the top. So it doesn't block your wire because your wire, electricity wire for the Gem 5 light stays right here. So that blocks the light from coming out the top. On the bottom, we do not need this tubing. So we're going to take that out. Take out the end clip, pull this out. Also, you're going to want to put in the feet. Figure out how long you need the feet or the legs. Cut them off to the length that you need. And then you can glue them if you like, but of course try it first without gluing. And then you can make them shorter and shorter as you need. And then you can glue it if you like. But that's all you need because this is going to go into here. And it's going to sit where you need. And then you're going to feed in water through here. And then that's it. The water's going to go up, down the plate, down the screen, and then out here. It's going to go in here, and the water's going to come out here. And then to harvest, you're going to just take this to the, you can take the whole thing to your sink, or you can pull out the screen here. But you'll probably want to take the whole thing to the sink because that way you can remove the different pieces and you can clean all through there, but just depending upon how much growth you're getting. And of course you can detach this to take to your sink also. So that's the setup for waterfall feed only, using the bottom feed here for the back of your nano back compartment.